In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your current payroll exports. Payroll exports allow you to export information from Teamwork 5 in a way that communicates with your payroll software. Through payroll exports, you can control all of the details related to that information and how it's being exported. To view your payroll exports, go to the top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Configuration. From the drop-down menu, choose Payroll Exports. You should see a list of your current payroll exports to the left. You can see the name of the export and the type. To view the details of one of these exports, click on that export. Now you can see the name, description, format, and all of the fields that are present. That's how you can view your current payroll exports. Check out the next video to learn how to add a new payroll export.